Imagine living a life where luxury and finance blend seamlessly. Welcome to FinVestateX. Today, we explore how finance enhances your luxurious lifestyle. Let's start with understanding the luxury market. Luxury isn't just about expensive items. It's about experiencing quality and exclusivity. Next, consider finance. Many think of numbers and budgets. But finance opens doors to opportunities. With smart investments, luxury becomes attainable. Now, let's connect these worlds. How can finance elevate your lifestyle? Begin by learning about high-end real estate. Luxury properties offer more than homes. They serve as investments and status symbols. To make informed choices, understanding financing is key. Use leverage wisely. This means using borrowed funds to grow wealth. Visualize this: buying a luxury condo as an investment. As property values increase, so does your wealth. Pause to reflect. Think about your financial mindset. A positive money mindset cultivates abundance. Embrace the idea that wealth is within reach. Let's dive into the first step. Budgeting. Create a budget that reflects your luxury goals. Allocate funds for experiences, investments, and savings. Next, explore investment options. Stocks, bonds, and real estate can create passive income. By diversifying, you minimize risks while increasing potential returns. Example: consider investing in a luxury vacation rental. Not only do you enjoy it, but it also generates income. Now, let's summarize. Luxury and finance are interconnected. Understanding this relationship is vital for success. Create a budget, invest wisely, and maintain a positive mindset. Ready to transform your luxury lifestyle? Join us at FinVestateX for more insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this